Surely you had some concerns because neither one of y'all are construction people. You don't have any construction experience.
Right.
No, correct.
So what were your concerns?
Probably my biggest concern was just not being familiar with any of the process. That was my biggest concern. Before seeing the program and going through some of the videos, I had no idea where do you even begin.
Cody and Jessica from the Old Barn Company, and we help clients turn dreams into plans with our unique stock plans inspired by our own home that I designed for our own family, and custom designs too.
We also turn dreamers into builders with our Bootstrap Builders Program, where we teach couples how to save big money on their home builds so they can afford their whole dream home and not just part of it.
So for more information, check out the description below in this video, and be sure to like and subscribe, check out those links, and tap that bell so you don't miss anything.
Howdy y'all, Cody and Jessica, welcome back. And we are here today with Leslie and Steven. We're in Florida, and they just got finished with their own bootstrap build. So congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It looks beautiful.
Yeah, it looks
Thank you.
wonderful. And of course, we've got the tour coming. We'll put a link to that somewhere in there,
Yep.
right?
Yep.
All right, so tell us a little bit about why you decided to take this on your own.
Well, really, he was the one who decided he wanted to take it on his own. But I actually, it wasn't even a thought that crossed my mind until I found your website and found the house plan and saw that you had the Bootstrap Builders Program. So I clicked on that and started kind of reading what you had, what you offered, and I said, "Hey, Steven, why don't we look into doing this?" So, I mean, really, it was just seeing the information that you guys had out there, and it worked out really well for us.
And being able to save money with doing it ourselves and being in control of it ourselves, talking to the subs directly, it just took the middleman out for us and just made it nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really powerful to be able to control, like, who's working on your house, every decision being made,
Right.
and then, like you touched on, you're going to save a bunch of money in the process. So y'all don't have to give numbers; you can get percentages or whatever. But how much did y'all save doing this on your own?
From talking to a bunch of different people to try and figure this out, I'm guessing we're about 20 to 25%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's great.
So, yeah.
Right. And if y'all had an appraisal yet?
Not yet.
Not yet. It'd be interesting to see what that comes
you'll have to
back.
let us know.
You have to let us know, because usually we've been finding people, the appraisals are way up there, and then of course that means your equity just goes through the roof.
Right.
So in addition to saving on what it costs to build, to build the house, now you have, untapped wealth in the sense of, equity.
Right.
Yep.
So, okay. So before you got into this, so you said you found the program on the website.
Yes.
And then surely you had some concerns because neither one of y'all are construction people. You don't have any construction experience.
Right.
No, correct.
So what were your concerns?
Probably my biggest concern was just not being familiar with any of the process. That was my biggest concern. Before seeing the program and going through some of the videos, I had no idea where do you even begin in the whole process. I was totally clueless on it, but being able to walk through and watch the videos step by step, that was
helpful.
a lot. It made me more comfortable in knowing that, hey, this is something we can do, and y'all made it to where I think anybody could do it. As far as if you have the time, then there's no reason why you can't do it.
Yep.
And I figured I had the time. Save the money.
And another thing you had going for you was you live right here on the site, and you could be here often to oversee things.
Yeah.
So that's another big benefit that you had.
Right.
So as the subs came in every morning, usually Steven was out here for probably an hour every morning, talking with the guys, answering questions. If they had a question in the middle of the day, they're knocking on the door, giving us a text, come out, which was great because I think we saved a lot of time. Whereas if we were off site and they needed us to look at something, it might have been the next day before they could get to it. So things moved quickly.
And we were able to, in the evenings, after everybody left, we were cleaning up.
Yeah, we were the cleanup crew.
And then we could see the progress that had happened throughout the day.
Yeah.
So,
And it's
So did you feel like, y'all are also floor plan, buyers, and so shameless plug in the sense that we give a discount to people that are also floor plan buyers,
Yes.
$500 discount. So, but still, there's a decent price tag on the course and stuff. Did you feel like you got the value out of it that you needed?
Yes.
Compared to
Absolutely.
what you saved?
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's important.
Yeah.
There's no way we could have done it without having the structure
Right.
that y'all have provided.
And just being able to, like ask questions to you guys, or even the Zoom meetings, those were informational where you can tap into the other people that are building at the same time, or, going through this, have already been there and done that. They've already bought their windows. So let's ask them. So, yeah. Great resource.
Yeah. I think leveraging the Facebook group and the Zoom calls is stuff that actually I think people underutilize.
Yeah.
And y'all were regulars on the calls. And so, that's great. I appreciate that. And, we have people that like take the course and just go.
Yeah.
And then we have some people that participate more, and it's whatever you need, right? It's just the information's there, the resources are there, including Jessica and I. And so, we just tell people to, leverage it all. So what would you say to somebody that was considering doing this, like bootstrapping?
I think it's doable for anybody. I mean, it is worth the time and effort, and if you're looking to save some money, I pictured the GC, especially in our case, as just a middleman who I was going to get the same questions asked anyway.
Right.
Why pay somebody else to then ask me the same question that one of the subs is going to ask me?
Right.
Yep.
And then having that middleman also means that things might get skewed in the interpretation and the passing along of information.
Absolutely.
And that's another, point of failure sometimes.
Yeah. We find like people that are really cut out for this program are people that can manage a budget, basically manage a project, manage a budget, manage time, manage logistics, manage money, and then have that ability to just communicate with people. It's really about. So it's kind of an entrepreneurial mindset, in the sense that you're taking charge of things and you're going to get after it, and then,
And you touched on something too that a lot of people don't even consider, is that even with a builder, you're still going to have to make all these decisions. Even with a builder, you're going to have to be on site and checking things to making sure that they're going how you pictured them.
Right.
And making sure that the builder has ordered everything that the builder needs to order and things like that. So
you're still doing the work.
You're still doing just as much, but you're also paying him to do that. And so that makes it a little bit more stressful. And I want to know, did you enjoy the process?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I loved it.
Yeah.
It was a great process. I learned so much.
It's funny. Our electricians that we use, they're a family-run business, and so the mom of the family is runs the office.
Yeah.
And she'll be the one that Stephen talks to, and she's like, "Man, you're building this house fast. You sure you don't want a job as a contractor?" He's like, "No, thank you."
No.
But what was your time frame? How long?
8 months.
About 8 months. So it was
really
fast.
Good.
Yeah.
When people will say that's really fast, Stephen should change jobs. I was like, he's just a great project manager. It's the words I've used. I was like, he knows how to manage a project.
Yeah.
That's basically what he did.
Right.
He did all of that work. I just picked out pretty things. And, So
Is that how y'all generally divided and conquered? Is you did all the shopping, and then he managed the subs, got the bids.
The
occasionally he was out of town, and I would have to make some calls on stuff. But
calls. This is happening. What do we need to do here?
Yeah, we need to make this decision right now.
Yeah.
The plumber is waiting.
Yeah. But overall, it was not a difficult process. I agree.
Yeah.
Like if we had hired a general contractor, he would have been asking us the same questions.
Right.
So we just took that person out.
Yeah. It worked out great because it really is a beautiful home, and people are always worried that if they do it themselves, they won't know how to build a quality house.
Right.
And this is a quality house.
Oh, very much.
Well,
this is gorgeous.
We just tapped into, our subs, and said, if we had a question about what to do with something that we didn't know, we asked their opinion.
Yeah.
And they know, if this was my home, this is what I would do.
And we would ask the same question to the subs in the other trades as well.
Yeah.
Because learning through the process, it's like, okay, well, what you do with the HVAC depends on how plumbing is going to be affected, which is going to depend on where can you put electrical, where can you put this. I mean, they all tie in together, so being able to just ask all of them separately, hey, and then you just make the decision.
Yeah.
Hey, this is the route I want to go.
And did y'all have a good relationship with your subs? Like, did you have, I mean, it sounds like y'all did.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, we were, a lot of them, and they were out here almost every day, and it was great being able to talk with them, find out just different little stories amongst themselves and different projects that they've worked on, and then you just feel like you can ask different things of them here.
Right.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I would say our trim carpenter worked here the longest.
Yeah. A lot of good meal work in here.
He started, I think, on the front porch sometime in March and just finished. Well, he's got to come hang a door still. But he was here almost every day, and so I felt very comfortable with him. Like if Stephen was out of town and I had a question, and he's very knowledgeable because he does more than just trim work, but trim is what we hired him for. I'd say, hey, Scott, what do you think? Or, or something would be coming in and he'd say, I'll handle it. And he did. He took care of that stuff. So, it's good to have someone like that I felt comfortable and confident with. And he was looking out for our best interest as well.
That's great.
Yeah.
I think having great subs is really a key to making your build go smoothly. It's a team effort. And the ability to be able to pick.
Yes. Yeah.
Somebody that you can work with, that you feel confident in. It's just that gives you a lot of peace of mind.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, any other tips y'all have for potential bootstrappers that you want to pass on? You've got the floor.
I don't know. I mean, it's really, I feel like probably everybody's experience is a little different.
Yeah.
Being able to know yourselves and feel comfortable with them and just checking around different pricing. I mean, we did have very large variations in pricing from windows or roofing.
Yeah.
A lot of the other items in the house were very comparable, but it seemed like roofing and windows was pretty much the biggest difference in pricing. So definitely check on those for sure.
Good.
Well, the house is gorgeous.
Yeah. Thank you.
We appreciate y'all, telling us about your experiences and enjoy your beautiful home.
And check in the description for a link to see this build to get a tour.
Yep.
All right. Thank you guys.
Cool.
Thank you.
Here's a quick preview of their home tour, which I'll link right here, and don't forget to check out more info in the description below. Thanks for watching.